here we have Leek, I believe. Leeks. I bought this for $4.59 at Walmart. And the only reason why I bought it is because I spotted roots on the end of it. Some very good roots on it, and this is the one that had the most roots on the end of it. So I grabbed it. A lot of them didn't have the roots as big as this one. But this one has some pretty decent sized roots. So I grabbed it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this little one right here, and we're gonna throw it in this pot. Okay, and then we're gonna take the other two to the raised bed. Especially this big one. So let's walk over here. All right, here we are at the raised bed. And we're gonna throw this big one right here. I don't know what that is, but that needs to come out. And throw this big one right here. Boom, sit perfectly right there. We're gonna throw another one right here.